Right. Today is a day for getting things done. And before I have my lunch, I'm sure there was something. Nothing to do before lunch. Except have lunch. And seeing as it's such a lovely day, I shall have it outside.
Rock-a-bye tadpole on the lily pad top. When the wind blows, in the water you'll drop.
What you doing, Granny?
I'm singing, of course.
No, the bottles. What are you making?
Oh, I see. I've made some real lemonade. And
Lemonade? Great!
Ah, but it's not ready for drinking yet. It needs to settle in the bottle for a couple of days. There. Now I'm going to take the Tads for a little walk to Mrs. Tickle's shop. So, make sure you behave yourselves while I'm away.
All right, Granny.
See you later.
My hat! Lizzie Tickle, what's that?
This? It's going to be a statue of Oakie Doke.
Yes? It doesn't look much like him.
I haven't been working on it long.
You keep at it, dear.
Hello, Grannie Annie. What can I get you today?
Oh, just one or two things for the youngsters' tea. I've got a list.
Oh!
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, me too.
I know. Let's have some of that real lemonade.
Oh, Granny said it wouldn't be ready for a few days.
Well, it couldn't do any harm to try a bit. Oh, lovely. Do you want some?
No. I think I'll wait a couple of days, just like Granny's.
Oh, I've got hiccups. There's nothing like lunch in the open air on a beautiful day like this. Now, what shall I surprise myself with? Some freshly baked bread? Thank you. And perhaps you would care for a spot of mushroom and hazelnut pâté. Oh, you're too kind. A little fruit, perhaps? Oh, that would be lovely. Well, you stay right there, and I'll go and fetch it. Marvellous. What it is to have friends like me.
Ding-dong bell, the tadpole's down the well. Who puts him in the... Hello? What's that? Whatever's the... I told you that lemonade needed a few days to settle, didn't I?
Yes,
Granny.
Well, you've only got yourself to blame then. Silly frog. Well, what you need to do is hold your breath. Take a big breath now. And out. There you are. Oh, not gone.
This is the life. Hello there, Grannie Annie. Lovely day.
It would be if it wasn't for the hiccups.
Oh dear, you've got hiccups?
No, it's Moses the scamp.
He drank some of Grannie Annie's real lemonade, you see, and that gave him...
dear. Leave this to me, will you?
You'd better come up here, young Moses. I think I can do something to those hiccups. Yes. It's a bad case, all right. Still, I know a couple of ways to get rid of hiccups. You could drink some water out of the wrong side of the cup.
Which is the wrong side?
What he means is you drink out of the side furthest away from you.
Yes, that's what I mean. Of course. Right.
Rose! Oh, hello, Lizzie. You seen Rose, have you?
Well, she might be at her house, Manny. This is Oakie Bags.
Oh, no, don't tell me I've gone and taken another wrong turn. Oh, what's that? Scarecrow, is it?
No, it isn't a scarecrow. I'm making a statue of Oakie Doke.
Oh, well, of course it's okay. I'd recognise that nose anywhere.
That's his ear.
Yes. Well, I'd best be off. I've got to find Rose, and I know that she's...
Goodbye.
Right, Moses. That should be long enough.
Ooh. Oh, I feel all dizzy.
Ooh, and hickey too. Oh, well. Let's try this then. You hold a pencil between your teeth and then drink some water.
That won't work.
What? Why not?
Frogs don't have teeth.
Right. In that case, Moses, hold a pencil between your gums and drink some water. Oh, bother! Oh, well, there's only one thing for it.
What's that?
Mrs. Tickles. She just might have a hiccup remedy in stock at her shop. Follow me.
Right, some handbags and a bag of mixed nuts, please, Mrs. T.
Yeah, talking of nuts. What's that there? It looks pretty nutty to me.
It's a statue of Oakie Doke.
Oh, hey! What's that?
It's a statue of Oakie. Only everyone says it's horrid.
Oh, it's not horrid at all, Lizzie. It's just not finished yet. When you've finished it, it'll be wonderful. It's me, isn't it?
You recognise it?
Of course I do. That ugly old mug. I see it every morning in the mirror. Hey! Hey! My hiccups! Oh, they've gone! What? Oh, wow! It must have been the shock that did it. Well, well, well. Not only a lovely statue, but a cure for hiccups as well. It's just like I always say. Lemonade, it is said, will give you the hicks, but a statue will soon put an end to your fix. Ah, what a lovely day.
Morning, Oakie Doke.
Lizzie, and Libby. Good morning to you two. Oh, dear, too many twos. Oh, well, I've got a fine day for it, I must say.
For what?
Oh, I've got lots of things to do today. I've got to, oh, hang on. I've made a list.
There's nothing on it, Oakie.
Oh. Do you know, Lizzie? You're right. Well, that must mean I've got a day off. Whoopee! Whoopee!
It's all right for some, for those without things to do.
Oh, hello, Grannie Annie. And where are you off to?
Abel's taking the boys to visit their cousins, and someone's got to look after the tadpoles.
Hey, Dad! Dad! Look at me! Anyone could do that!
Stand clear, Moses. You too, Neptune. Make way for a professional. Woohoo! Whee!
Brilliant! Great! Well done, Granny.
One of these days, you're going to fall in doing that.
Oh, no. Not while I'm wearing my lucky hat, I won't. And anyway, you knows how I hate water.
Yeah, horrid stuff. It's all wet and
Yes,
cold
well,
and
never mind about that now. It's time to get ready for...
My hat? Is that for me?
Well, actually,
Oh, really? You shouldn't have. How thoughtful.
Oh, well, I can always have something later. Well, come on then, boys.
You off, are you?
Yes.
Right. Well, make sure you've got everything. Have you washed your face this morning? My hat! Look at the state of your boots. The Tads have been fed, have they? Good. And you'll have left something for my dinner, of course. Right. The Tads will be just fine. Off you go, then.
Watch where you're going, dear. Your father's digging a new tunnel.
Hey, Billy, look what I found.
Oh, watch out, Dad.
I could say the same to you, son. Morning, Millie. Manny.
Morning. Hello there. The tadpole sitter's arrived, has she?
Oh, yes.
Well, you won't need to worry about the young'uns sleeping tonight, then. She'll have them rushed off their tails.
Now then, what are we going to do? I know. I'll give you your first lesson in pad hopping. Watch your granny closely now. A 1, a 2, and 3.
Grannie Annie!
What the? Whoa! Hey, whoa! Oh, my hat! That was my hat! It's gone!
I'm sorry, Grannie Annie. I didn't mean to startle you. I'll get your hat back.
Wait,
What?
you can't swim,
Oh, no. So I can't.
and I hate water.
Oh, dear. What shall I do?
Well, for a start, you could stop jumping out at people like that.
I was
and
just...
for seconds, you can go and get Oakie Doke. Oakie will know what to do.
Mr. Doke! Mr. Doke!
What? What's happened?
Mr. Doke, it was all my fault. I was out and I saw Grannie Annie. So I said hello, only she was on a pad and she was startled and it spun round and then a hat and it fell into the water, but I couldn't swim and she doesn't like the water, but she's got to have her hat back. It's lucky, you see, and so she said to get you.
Oh, great heavens, young Root. Oh, there's not a moment to lose. Let's go.
It was just there.
I thought it was further over there.
No, there.
Oh, it's no good. The hat could be anywhere. I could fish in it for... just a minute.
Have you found it?
No, but you know what they say. The more cooks, the better the cake.
What?
Well, I'll never find the hat all on my own. But if we had a lot of fishing rods...
Oh, I get it.
Yes, we'll have a grand fishing competition.
Oh, yes! And the first prize for finding my hat will be a whole crate of my homemade ginger beer.
Oh, a whole crate. Wow! What's a crate? A fishing competition? Margus? That's right, Mrs. Tickle.
Oh, how exciting! Wait till I tell the girls.
You hear that? A whole crate of Granny Annie's ginger beer.
Hooray! Hooray! Oh,
Quiet! Quiet! Please, everybody! Settle down! Thank you. Right. First of all, only those who are able to swim must go near the water.
Mr. Doke,
What is it, young Root?
I can't swim, Mr. Doke.
Don't you fret, young fella, my lad. Neptune's got a spare set of armbands in the house. You can use them. He never does. Doesn't like to get wet, just like his old granny.
On your marks. Get set. Get fishing!
Hatting.
What?
We're not fishing. We are hatting.
Yes! It's the Grand Hatting Contest.
I've caught
feels like a hat.
You'd look silly with that on your head, Lizzie.
Oh, I've caught something too.
Hang on, Root. I'll give you a hand.
Oh, my hat! It's my hat! It's a bit wet.
Hello. What's going on here, eh? A party?
Well, sort of. You see, Granny Annie lost her hat, and then she...
And so we had a hatting competition. It's like fishing, only with hats. And I won, Mr. Frog. I won! I caught Granny Annie's hat.
Oh, but it's a bit wet now, though. I don't know if it'll ever be quite the same again.
Well, there's no need to worry about that, Granny.
No, look what we got for you.
Oh! Oh, my hat! Would you look at that? A brand new one.
Well, it's just like I always say. There are more things in ponds than water and weed, so a good dry hat is just what you need.